Hi guys! So ngayon, nandito kami sa The Oasis. Yeah, there's a the for that. And ayun, we arrived here at around 12. Ayun, di naman masyadong mainit. May aircon dito. Ayun, pagpasok ko pa lang, ramdam mo na agad yung lamig. So it's nice. So plus points yan sa akin. And ngayon, we're cosplaying as our ISO.
Well, di namin siya main kasi smoker kami paras. Pero...
Oh, wow! Okay, actually, ako lang yung nagko-controller sa amin. Madalas. Siya yung next.
Sentinel kasi.
Yan, Sentinel siya madalas. So anyway, yun. So we'll be showing you around. Hopefully, I get enough footage to make this a long video. So yeah.
So we're here sa booth ni Daki and Steven. So they're selling macarons.
Hello. Oh, ay, dito ba si Courtney? Hello? Kami sa food and beverage area. It's fucking hot. So ayun, mukhang wala namang pila. So we'll just buy a few drinks and food. I take sugar, mami ko. Okay, she needs help. Our lunch. Coffee for me. Anong sa'yo?
Potato corner.
Potato corner and?
Yes. Blue lemonade.
Blue lemonade. Okay. O nga, no? Bagay nga. Ready? 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm gonna try out this gacha. 40 pesos per entry. Tama ba? And then wait, napindot ko ba? Meron na agad? Tapos na? Nakasabot. Tangan.
Ano na?
Bingi yata yung Sorry.
stage mo, decoder. oh! Hanggang dito may galit pa din. Ayan, full costume.
Hello!
Hello, so right now,
Mainit na.
yeah,
Tapos,
mainit na kasi-
namatay daw yung namatay daw yung ibang aircon. Wala-
basically, wala talaga yung aircon.
Yeah, everyone's using their fan. Okay, wait. Ito yung proof. Wait. Okay, lahat nagpapaypay. So, Blizzard. Okay, sir. Kahit ano dyan. Chocolate. Joke. Okay. Okay. May DQ na tayo for this fucking hot weather. Okay, balik kami sa init. Ako. Here's the sun.
Dikit ang laban nila ni Player 3. You are my treasure. Everybody! Let me hear you sing. Hoy! May mga daw na corona!
Gusto mo? Yes, please. Thank you. Anong gusto mo?
Yung Lucky Cat.
Lucky ka?
Ay, di ba ito? Yes.
Okay, so si Ferlin, nagtanggal na siya ng kanyang cosplay. And ako, hindi pa. So now we're looking for some shirts. So after coming back, masabi ko na yung best time to come to this kind of con is after 4 hours. No?
Yeah, kasi yun pala nagkakaroon ng activities yung mga tao and yung program.
And also, hindi na mainit.
Yeah, super lamig na.
Super lamig na.